Hello boys and girls of the internet, you're welcome. Alright, so in today's video guys, what I'll be doing is I'm walking us through on how to sell services without having a skill on Fiverr. Alright, so the service you can actually offer on Fiverr, but then you don't need to have the skill, right? So normally you can become a graphic designer, a web developer, and if you want to offer this kind of service, you need to have the skill. But right, in this particular video guys, I'm going to show you services you can offer on Fiverr even when you don't have these skills. All right, so I'm going to list like four of them, four of them in this particular video, and all you have to do is watch to the end, get to see what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to list this four services you can offer, and then I'm going to show you how you can go about it when your client requests that you offer the service. All right, so without further ado guys, I'm going to speed it up and I'm going to go to my laptop screen right now, and I'm going to show you guys what you must do, right? You must do. But before I do that guys, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and yeah, one thing I do on this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. All right, so if you're interested in making money online and this is your first time seeing this channel, or you've seen me before but you've not hit the subscribe button, this is an opportunity for you to hit the subscribe button. All right, be sure to smash that subscribe button. All right, and I know you're going to get value from this video, or you've been getting value from my videos. Don't hesitate, make sure you smash that like button. All right, and if you've got questions, your opinions, your suggestions, something you want me to make a video on, go down to the comment section and drop your comment. All right, so make sure you do that. And without talking much, without wasting of your time, let's get to my laptop screen and let me show you guys. All you need to do
is we're here on Fiverr, and just like I told you guys earlier in the intro, I told you guys that I will be actually showing us 4 different services that we can offer on Fiverr even without having the skill. All right, so we're going to rush it up right now without wasting much of our time. So the first skill right here that I'll actually recommend is removing background from image. All right, as simple as it sounds, it is actually a skill that can actually help you make money on Fiverr. So you can see people already doing this. All right, because people are already doing it and they're already having services on this, you will need to understand that it works pretty well, right? So this person charges about $15, this person charges about $5, $5. So a lot of persons get to charge about $5 to do this service. All right, and they tell their clients that they're going to use Photoshop with it. And yeah, you don't need to have the knowledge, you don't need to know how to use Photoshop. All right, all you need to do is to use the tool that I'm going to share with you. So what I'm going to do basically is I'm going to share this service, right, and I'm going to share you a hack that will help you get through when your clients request the service. So just open your Fiverr account, create this services I've talked about removing background. And this person right here, you can see that he has sold about 976. I'm just going to get this closer. 976, and it charges about $5. So if we should do the math right here, if this person has earned $5 multiplied by 976 should give us around 4,008, right? So it means that this person has made about 4,008, up to that is up close to $2,000 by just removing background from images. And you can basically do the same thing. So I'm going to show you an AI tool that's going to help you to do this actually. All right, so this tool right here, it is actually two. This is the first one. I'm going to show you the second one. Now this one is remove bg. So you can actually, the URL is called remove.bg, right? So just come over right here and click on, how does it work? Just come over right here and click on upload image. Click on upload image, and you're going to select an image. So you see my picture right here, and you see it has a background. So I'm just going to select this and click on open. So now when I've done it, it's going to remove the background in seconds. All right, as long as your network is very fast, this is going to work very fast. All right, so because my network is not really that fast, so this is going to take a while for it to upload. So let's just give it a while, right? So what will give it a while to, okay, it's almost done. All right, so you see it's almost done. So it gives us this in PNG format. So how do you get it? Just come over right here and click on download. Now, if your client says add a background to my image, all you have to do is come over right here. You can be able to add a background through this. All right, it's that simple, right? So the next tool, which actually works better than this, not really works better than this, but it's the tool I actually use when I'm creating stuffs online, maybe a banner, maybe my thumbnail. This is actually what I use to remove background from images. All right, so and you can actually use it. You don't need to, like I told you earlier, you don't need to have knowledge of Photoshop. All right. So this one, how do you get this one? So just go to Google and type remove background with Adobe Express. Remove background with Adobe Express. That's what you're going to type when you get to Google. And if you type that, it's going to get you to this interface. All right. It's free image background remover. Upload your photo. So just click on upload your photo right here, and it's going to take you to the next page where you're going to see where to put in your photo. So we'll give it a while and it loads up. Yeah, it loads up to this section, and all you have to do is come over right here and click on where it says drag and drop an image or browse. Click on this plus icon right here. You click on it, and then it's going to get you back to this page. So I'm going to use a different picture for this. So look at this picture right here. Here where I have my black top. So I'm just going to click it open. So when I click it open right here, you see it's going to open. Right. So if it opens up, you see it's very, very perfect. Look at it, very neat. Like you just remove the background image clearly. All right, and all I have to do is click on download. Now, if I don't already have an account, it will ask me to create an account with this. All right, so this is the first gig, and it's simple, right? Just create it on Fiverr, do what others are doing already, and it's easy. Just replicate sources, and you'll be there, right? So the next gig we're actually going to get onto is this one. It's called SEO report. All right, so website owners that are actually getting traffic from search engine. So basically, let me just say what SEO is. SEO simply means search engine optimization. All right. So website owners who actually get traffic from search engines, what they do is sometimes they try to audit their website, and they try to get a report of their website and see what they are doing well or what they're not doing well. And when they get this report, they now get to know what they need to fix. All right. Now I'm going to show you a website that can actually help you to get the SEO report. You don't necessarily need to have a skill for this. All right. So this website right here, two websites actually, can help you get an SEO report of your client's website, and you just download the report and send to your client, and that is it. It's that simple. So now let's look at this. Now the first website right here, which we're going to use right here, it has a free version, and it has a premium feature, just like you can see here, and it's not really that expensive. It's something that I can actually purchase for your lifetime or for a month, and you get clients. When you're getting clients on a steady, the money you're going to use for purchasing this tool is not going to be a lot compared to the money you're going to be making on Fiverr. And if we go back on Fiverr, you can actually see that people are making up to $40, $15 to $40, and people also making up to $65, I think. There's lots more they can actually make with this. All right, $125 doing this. Yeah, so it's a lot of money. Let's say you pay for this tool at $25, and you're making $125 per client that you get, and you have, let's say you have like 5 clients in the month. It means you're on your way to financial freedom. So let's perform an SEO report for this website, right? So let's just come over right here and click this particular website, Nigerian website called punchng.com. So punchng.com, and then we'll click on audit. So once we click on audit, it's gonna do the work for us. So we'll give it a while, and it's gonna do all the work. All right. So before I continue, guys, I know you've gotten value so far, all right, and you would want to get premium value like this henceforth. What you're going to do is be sure to smash the like button, all right? That is, you've gotten value from the video, all right? And yeah, you would want to join the community. So don't forget to also hit the subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, right? And turn on the bell notification icon, all right? If you have any questions or opinions you want to share with us, please don't hesitate. Do that in the comment section, all right? So let's scroll all the way down so you can see the reports. It gives you like a good report about the website. Like this is top notch. This is top notch, right? So all you can do is download this report, right? You can download that as PDF, right? You download that as PDF and send to your client on Fiverr. Life is that easy, right? Okay, so let's go to the third one. The third one is let's open it up. Oh, sorry, the second tool, before I go to the third one, the second tool right here is called AI SEO. So you can actually do the same thing. Just come over right here and put in your website URL and click on analyze. You analyze it, you download, you send it to your client. So this website is called aioseo.com, right? aioseo.com. Yeah, so I'm going to try leave the link to this website in the description, right? I'm going to try leave the links to this website, please. So now the next one is called the next gig, right, is called HTML5 advertisements. HTML5 advertisements, and yeah, you can see people already doing this thing, right? So I'm going to explain what HTML for advertisements is and what it looks like. So let's go over right here and let's just type punchng.com. So let's open it up, right? This is a popular website in Nigeria that I read news from. So I'm going to show you what an advertisement looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can create that for your client. So let's come over right here and we're going to scroll all the way down. So right here we see this is actually a banner, an advertisement for the tool I showed you guys earlier. All right, so let's just scroll all the way down. Let's see if we have advertisement. So you can see right here, it says advertisement here, right? And it says this is an advert and this is a banner ad. So I'm going to show you how you can actually create this kind of banner ad for your client and send it to your client. So come over right here, you'll see this one down here. It's also a banner ad, and you have website like this looking for who to create banner ads for them so that they can put it on their website and make money. So you can also see this one, trade with an award-winning broker. So you see it's an advertisement, all right? And there are people on Fiverr. People go to on Fiverr and they look for people who are going to create this ads for them. And you can actually charge from $10 to $60 to do this for your client, right? So it's a big one. HTML banner. This one's charged as low as $5. Right, I think it's still beginning. So it has about 203 orders done, services done. That's a huge one, and it's still charging $5. The reason why this person is doing this is because this person wants to beat the competition, because people want to go for a cheaper service, all right? And once you offer them quality and it's cheap, they will continue coming back. Yeah, it's that simple. So let's look at the tool that we're actually going to use for this. So the tool we're going to use for this is called Critopy. All right, so Critopy is a magnificent tool that I can actually use to create HTML ad, and you can see ad design automation platform. All right, and you can see this type of banner ads that I showed you guys earlier right here. If you look closely, you can see that this is animated. All right, you see it's animated. Okay, so you can actually create with this, and they have a free trial. Yeah, you can actually work with it. All right, so these are the 3 ones that I've shown you guys. So now I'm going to go over to the last one, and please I'd like to remind you guys to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and please also like this video if you're getting value. Right, I know you are getting value. So the next one that I'm going to introduce us to is called Fiverr arbitrage. Yeah, so what is Fiverr arbitrage? What is arbitrage? Okay, arbitrage is basically reselling of service, or reselling of service. You buy from a place, you actually get how do I explain this? All right, so arbitrage is more like you getting to actually buy a service and at a cheaper price, and you resell that particular service at a high price. That's basically what arbitrage means. So Fiverr arbitrage is you getting to buy a service from a platform that sells that particular service at a cheap price, and then you get to resell that service on Fiverr at a higher price. So at the end of the day, you're making the difference. If you're going to buy this service on this particular website I'm going to show you, maybe at $50, and you get to resell it at $150 on Fiverr, that's a plus one for you, right? That's a plus one for you. So this is something I did when I was still starting out Fiverr, like at my early age, when I was still starting out Fiverr. I think I was still in secondary school as at then. So what I did then was I had to create an account on Fiverr based on website designing. And what I would do is when I get a client requesting that I do a website service for them, I go out there and I hire someone here in Nigeria, right? And I hire someone here in Nigeria and they do the website design for me. Now, people here in Nigeria, once they get up to like 45,000 naira as a den, now 45,000 naira to design a simple website. But as a den, they were selling like 25,000 naira. And imagine me collecting $150 or $100 to design a website, and then I pay someone 25,000 naira. That was a lot of money for me. All right, so you can actually do the same thing. If you don't want to buy from this website I'm going to show you, you can actually buy from someone that is around, pay them a cheaper price, and then offer the service on Fiverr. That's a plus, right? So now let's get onto the practical platforms that I will show you guys right here. So the platform number 1 is called Freelancer. I've not bought services from these websites and resold on Fiverr, but I think it's something you should do, right? So you can hire freelancers for any job online, and yeah, it's way cheaper than Fiverr, as research has it, not that I've done it before. Right. So the next one is Upwork.com. So Upwork is almost like Fiverr, and people are already getting to know it. All right. So you can actually buy and resell on Upwork, or like buy from Upwork and resell on Fiverr. Right. It's basically that simple. So I'm going to give you one more, and the last one right here is called people per hour. People per hour measures this on anything that has to do with design. Yes, anything that has to do with design, graphic design, website design, logo design. Yeah, that's what they basically measure on that. Video editing, yeah, video editing. Yeah, I also do programming and technology, writing as well, translation as well. All right, so this now if now another plus hack is that if you don't want to use Fiverr for your freelance, or if you're using Fiverr already, because Fiverr is actually very saturated, and you think you cannot just wait for people to actually message you on Fiverr, just open your Fiverr account, create your services, and then also do the same thing on Upwork, people per hour, and freelancer. All right.
All right, so these are the few services that you need to offer on Fiverr and then make an extra income. All right, but then if you want to make much more, because there is more money in skills, right? So if you're a web developer, you can actually make more money, right? So the first skill I showed you guys, you can actually earn $5 to $10 with it. But if you have a skill and you're offering it on Fiverr, and you get hired by a client, you can actually make up to $200 plus when you have this skills, all right? So once you have this services that I already mentioned to you, if you have it on your Fiverr gig and you're already making little amount of money, it can actually help you to actually go pay for a proper skill, learn it, and scale up your income, all right? So I'm going to actually allow you guys to actually try what I've just shown you guys in this particular video, right? So it's gonna be a peace out and see you guys.